Hello! In this video, we are going to talk about different types of computer science. So we've already probably seen in a previous video that there are many different types of computer science, and apps particularly use many of these types of computer science together. In this video, we're going to talk about 4 separate types of computer science, and those are programming, artificial intelligence, networking, and cloud computing. So first of all, what is programming? Programming is basically the task of writing computer programs. And as you may have seen before, computer programs are the way that we provide instructions to the hardware of the computer to tell it what to do and in what order and what the steps are. So computer programs are how you create software or computer software. Now, many programming languages exist, and some languages are better for some tasks than others, and different people use different languages for different types of software programs. Now, next, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the field of computer science that helps computers do jobs that are easy for human brains. This could be things like identifying images, answering questions, understanding language, understanding and responding to emotions, things like that. Now, artificial intelligence is usually written a lot in software, but it also has some very special hardware like GPUs. So typically, artificial intelligence can combine either software and your regular computer, or it can combine software and specialized computers that have been built just to do artificial intelligence better. Now, most types of artificial intelligence also uses a lot of data because frequently that's how an artificial intelligence learns. So self-driving car, a navigating robot, a digital assistant, these are all examples of artificial intelligence. Now, what is networking? Networking is how 2 or more computers talk to each other. And they talk to each other over a connection that's called a network. And it could be 2 computers, it could be hundreds or millions of computers. So what you can see on the top right-hand corner here is how these computers are connected to each other, usually by cables. Now, you may not see a lot of cables on your computer, and that's because it's using Wi-Fi or a wireless technology where it can communicate without a physical connection. But some computers that are typically inside office buildings sometimes still communicate via physical connection, and either of those is fine. Computer networking forms the basis of the internet. It's what connects all of our apps and our devices and our computers together and helps us access information like doing searches on Google. It helps computers communicate over long or short distances and also can help different types of computers communicate. So if you think for a moment of how is it that your phone and your computer can access the same email, that is because of the way that networking works. Finally, the last type of computer science that we'll talk about in this video is cloud computing. Now, cloud computing is where computers that are accessible over the internet become available to you for use. So there are computers and large numbers of them available on the internet that you can rent out or store stuff in. You have probably most likely used this as a way to store your photos and maybe back up your photos. It's also where your email lives. You can run programs there too. Most people use it to store photos and email and things like that, but definitely you can run lots and lots of programs, and some of the biggest programs in the world are run in the cloud. The cloud contains millions and millions of computers that are shared by lots and lots of users. Thank you very much.